My name is Balin. I'm one of the youth of this country. In fact, a very, very agile young youth. In fact, I'm still a student. What I want to beg you for is that student does not want loan. You don't want loan. We are students. How do you expect us to pay back your loan? We want students grant. Is it too much to ask? Why will you give students a loan? It's uncalled for. And again, cut off all the necessary allowance that your senators and house of representatives are receiving. Wardrobe allowance, fuel allowance, feeding allowance, hardship allowance, unnecessary things. What are they using their salary to do? We don't want that. Our minimum wage is even too small for us to survive. How can I receive 70,000 and the bag of rice is 85,000 naira? How can I survive? One bag of rice is 15,000. One piece is 15,000. How much is our salary? We cannot survive like this. We want change. If you know you cannot change it, then step down. It's not bad. You can resign. You can resign. If you cannot do it, bad. Resign. Get the fuck out of that seat.
We don't want him anymore.
Even in the first time, we did not elect you. Yes. You are not that elect yourself. But now it's getting worse.
Leave us alone.
Petrol was 165. Now petrol is 850 naira. How do you expect to buy petrol? Salary of an officer cannot buy 15 liters of fuel. Salary of a military man cannot take him to his family and buy bread home. Why are we surviving? You cannot survive that. You cannot continue like this. Resign, please. Leave us where they go.
Ginger dey body. Tell them anywhere where they dey. Tell them today no be yesterday. Tomorrow no go be today. Tell them our generations have suffered enough. We are tired of suffering. My generation must enjoy. Nigeria must work. He go work for my face. Wetin I wan best talk be say Tinubu, we don't want any injustice for this country again. Anybody wey thief money, wey be say he don carry money thief, when I carry am go lock am up. Yah Yah Bello wey thief money, how much he thief? 80 billion naira. Una leave am. 80 billion naira. 80 billion naira. I swear if you spend 80 billion naira for 80 years, like that, e no go finish. E no go finish. You carry money, you dey squander money, you squander money. Beep. If they go cash, they go. Wait. Calm down small. But now they see Yahoo boys, we go cash out small thing. They go carry am. Go lock am up.
If politician carry money, they go call am embezzle.
Embezzle. Where did they stop? Ẹ ti yá wẹ̀rẹ̀ ni, kò fẹ́ dá fún yín ni, ẹ fẹ́ kú ni. No, no be you, na them. Yeah. Where did they stop? Una wan kill us? How much did they sell the boss? How much I buy am? You dey hear am? Osa won't finish am. Osa won't finish am.
In a nutshell, what are you people advocating for? What are you advocating for?
Wait, before we go talk, wetin we dey advocate for philosophy listen me for. E no concern me. Yeah, e no concern me. Mo dey talk first. Mo dey talk. Madam, Agbalo court. If you say fufu dey like egg. You tell her head, fufu where dey, you know say that time. That time. You know say that time. If you see fufu that time, fufu he big, he dey like pillow, that time. But now, no, you are big now. You are now. Why they play this now? Madam, confirm. If you tell her Agbalo, they say they miss Buhari. Una dey hear am?
100 naira to Funa, e dey like this.
I don't fit chop them finish.
We don't finish. We won't finish over this country.
At 10, I fit chop like 20.
I dey chop 50. I know the pay.
What was that? 15 naira is 200 naira.
200 naira, see ya.
200
naira, see ya. 200 naira. How much they said this thing before? How much they said that before?
Which day don't shop egg and yam last?
I swear egg I am. I don't chop at 2020. During that answers. Money no reach now. As economy dey now. How much they say egg now? Why you no be 300 naira? Egg wey be say na for the shit am.
And that's 200 and 400.
Egg wey be say na for the shit am. How much they say egg now?
I take from Benland, go Lekki. But the government, hold on. The government said Nigeria youths are lazy.
Wait, I beg. Hey. I dey hate make they call us say we are lazy. I dey serious o. Well, like this, I know like this. I know they play. I dey serious. I dey that one. Portable Alpha. They hear me now. Una go post am abi. Portable, I saw your video. You get mad. They talk say youth. Say anybody wey come protest. You understand? Now he be say he lazy. Say Portable they tell us say mo go also. Mo go make money o. Portable, you remember say. You remember that answers. You come outside. You come protest. That time we never make money. Now we go get money. You can't say we are lazy. Meanwhile, you know say all the celebrities wey na dey see so without us, they no go reach that level wey they dey today. Celebrities they no go reach that level wey they dey today. No be so. Na so now they come see us. They come like say they no care for us. They don't get money. Whatever if they pay your papa well, come online, come turn that nonsense again. If they case, I case pass you. Me I be a J boy. I take you to the world. Wọ́n bí ayọ̀ kò sẹ́jọ́. Wọ́n bí ayọ̀.
100.
For Buhari regime, Naira Marley say Malians, Ejijo, Sopi, Tinubu don enter now. Even soap don cost. No more Malians. Nobody fit buy soap again. We know dey dance Sopi. Oya hook up no dey. No money to buy soap. Wetin we go do? A honey man is an angry man.
Even say hook up say no dey see customer again o. Because customer wey go give am money say no get money.
If they don't release this man, what will come? I say, people we know they play. Amigo, I'm from Biafra guy. If they don't release that man, what go there? What go there? Somebody they don't lock him up. Why they release him? Why they go lock him?
See, they're gonna say now Cambo. Man, what they talk truth? Chinese country person we talk truth again. Man, they listen to our brother for us. I beg, we dey beg you. Me not come. I beg.
Thank you, bro.